What's up mga amigos, amigas? Here I am again. I continue taking a video here in Jigwazi Park for part 2. This is a pit zoo, honey. Only pit zoo. Pitting zoo. Pitting zoo, yeah. That's a donkey, huh?
I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Yeah, I think that's a...
It's either a boar or not.
That's a small horse, honey. How's your day? Cutie pie, cutie pie, cutie pie. Okay, let's move. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good. There's a sign in here. It says restaurant, snack bars, sport fields, gardens, or wedding chapel. Okay, we're gonna go to the garden or wedding chapel down here. Hi, Guti. How are you, me? Me. Over there, two alpacas, honey.
Yes.
Two alpacas. Two alpacas. Here. Hi. Hi, buddy. How are you? Me. What are you doing? Me. Oh, you're eating that dried leaves. Hi. How are you, how are you, baby? I love you, Goody. Hi. Okay, we go around. We're gonna go around. Come here, honey. Hold my hand.
You're frozen.
Yeah. Says, please do not enter animals being moved to another product. Okay. We're gonna go in this area. Here, honey. Okay, here. Everything is still good?
Everything's great.
Ah. Oh, here. You can see in here. That's
Yep.
a horse, honey.
Yes, baby.
He's standing there, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a pony. Yeah. Hi, pony. How are you, pony? Yeah, it says do not feed or feed animals, they may bite. So cute. Hi, pony. How are you? You're doing good? You did not feel cold?
No.
Everyone is there. Only few people in here, honey. Okay. Come on. maple leaves, really?
Yep.
You move the video like this one. Oh, okay. Follow me. Follow me, honey. Here. Oh. Still. So beautiful. This one. This is called, the name for this plant is lamb ear plant because it just looks like the ear of the lamb. That's what my boss Jane said to me, because she has this kind of plants in her garden where I work. Okay. Come on. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. It's a beautiful day. Two couple, honey, look at that, two couple.
One couple.
One couple, they're taking some photos. Here, they have this frame up couple shoots. Some kids over there playing around. So mga amigos, amigas, I think we are done having a tour in this park, sharing this beautiful park here in Brampton. Okay, and follow my next video mga amigos, amigas, okay? For today, see ya!